এয়া আমাৰ মৰমৰ জুবিন দা। আজি তেখেতৰ এই অপমৃত্যুত কোনেও সহিব পৰা নাই। এয়া চাওক, হিমালয় ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি আজি সকলো উপবিষ্ট হৈ আজি এই মৰমৰ শিল্পীজনক শেষ শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাবলৈ সকলো ওলাই আহিছে। আজি অশ্বনয়নৰ গতিৰে তেখেতে মনৰ ভাগ প্ৰকাশ কৰিব নোৱাৰিলেও সেই মনতে তেওঁলোকে এক আত্মবলিদান হিচাপে সহস্ৰ প্ৰণাম জনাই আগবাঢ়ি আহিছে। নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, পুনৰ CNK অসম কি ক'ত কিয় বিখ্যাত পুৰণি নাম নতুন চিনাকি এই ইউটিউব ব্লগৰ যোগেদি মই চাওমিন গগৈ আপোনালোকক পুনৰ পৰা স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। একে ভিডিঅ' বনোৱাৰ পৰিৱেশ নাই যদিও আজি সকলোৱে জানে বোধ হয় জুবিন দা মৰমৰ শিল্পী, সমগ্ৰ ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰে সমগ্ৰ নৰ্থ ইষ্টৰে এই প্ৰিয় শিল্পীজন অপমৃত্যু হ'ল সকলোৱে গম পায়। প্ৰত্যেকে নিজৰ নিজৰ কৰ্মস্থলীৰ পৰা তেখেতৰ জন্মস্থানলৈ যাব পৰা নাই যদিও স্থানীয়ভাৱে নিজে নিজৰ কৰ্মস্থলীতে আজি তেওঁ হৈ এই হিমালয়ৰ পৰা পাতদেশ ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ অষ্টলক্ষ্মীৰ দেশ অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশ, এই অৰুণাচল প্ৰদেশৰ দাঁতিকাষতে আছে এই হিমালয় ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি জেল ৰোড। এই হিমালয় ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিৰ সকলো ষ্টুডেণ্ট, কৰ্মচাৰী, টিচাৰ সহিতে একেলগ হৈ আজি এই অতি মৰম লগা অতি আত্মীয় এই শিল্পীজনক শেষ শ্ৰদ্ধা জনাবলৈ উঠি পৰি লগাইছে। পৰহিৰ পৰাই এই ইউনিভাৰ্চিটিত বন্তি প্ৰজ্বলন হৈ আছিল, যিহেতু আজি শেষৰ দিন। কালিলৈ জুবিন দাক তেওঁৰ শেষ ন্যস্তিকা কৰিবলৈ দিব, অৰ্থাৎ চিতালৈ লৈ যাব। সেয়েহে আমাৰ এই অঞ্চলৰ এই দেশৰ শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী সকলো ষ্টুডেণ্ট হৈ তেখেতৰ এই শেষ বিদায় অনুষ্ঠান আজি অনুষ্ঠীয়াকৈ কৰিব লৈছে। সেয়েহে আজি তেখেতৰ হৈ সমূহ ইউনিভাৰ্চিটি তথা মই CNK অসম কি ক'ত কিয় বিখ্যাত মাই চেনেলৰ যোগেদি তেখেতৰ সহস্ৰ প্ৰণাম জনাই আজি ভিডিঅ'টো দেখাব লৈছোঁ যে এইকাৰণে অসম আৰু অৰুণাচলৰ মাজত কিমান আজিও বন্ধুত্ব সুলভ আচৰণ, বন্ধুত্ব বজাই ৰাখিছে। সেয়ে আপোনালোকে এই ভিডিঅ'টো চাই নিশ্চয় উপলব্ধি কৰিব। ধন্যবাদ। ৰং বয় বয়, ৰং বয় বয়।
Condolence to one of our legendary, that is none other than Jubin Gar. At the foremost, I would like to say something about legendary Jubin Gar. Jubin Gar was born on 18th November 1972 at Tura, that is in Meghalaya. Since his childhood, he was very passionate towards music, and his contribution towards the society is known through his music and his love for humanity and mankind. He always says that be like water, be selfless, be colorless. Jubin Gar was born in a Brahmin family, but he never believed in any caste or religion or community-based system. He believed on humanity, and throughout his life, he has worked to flourish the religion in the name of humanity, not in any other name, caste or creed. He flourished. Humanity is the best religion, and in his entire life, he tried to explain each and every one of us that this life which we are having is not a permanent one. We are in a journey to death, and in this journey of death, each and every one of us must have humanity inside us, and humanity to serve the people, to serve the nation, to protect the nature, to preserve the nature, and to live a peaceful life with dignity, with love, respect, and unity among all of us, not to discriminate us in the name of race, caste, religion, state, or nation. He said that as a human being, live your life in a simple way. Don't his contribution towards society will never ever be forgotten by each and every one of us. His dedication toward music was not only for the state of Assam. As we all know that he has sang more than 30 words under 40 different languages and dialects, which not only includes the language of Assam or language of, or dialect of Assam, but also entire Northeast, not only Northeast, even the state of West Bengal. And his contribution is not only for the people of Northeast, his contribution can be seen in the nation as a whole. If he wished, he could have lived a life, luxurious life like other celebrities, those who are living in Mumbai. But he dedicated his life for the people of Assam and for the people of Northeast. And his only wish was that we, the people of Northeast, should never be neglected. He worked for the welfare of the people of Northeast, which each and every one of us as a Northeastern should have in us, and should work for the upliftment of people of the Northeast as a whole, for the upliftment of the nation as a whole. He, in his lifetime, he tried to explain each and every one of us humanity, humanity, and humanity. He raised his voice for the people of Assam and for the nation as a whole. Jubin Garg is not only a legendary, not a name, he is an emotion for each and every one of us. And remember, emotion never dies. Emotion never dies. Since he has left this world, I am restless, I am speechless. He meant a lot for all of us. It feels like we have lost a guardian. The state of Assam, or the northeastern state, has lost a guardian. He was a guardian for the people of Northeast. He was not only a musician or actor or film director. He was a guardian for the people of Northeast. His contribution, we the people of Northeast should never let his inspiration, or should never let what he wanted for the people of North to die, let it die. No, we are the one to carry forward what his ambition was, and we are the one. Today we need to promise, or we must have the root inside us what Jubin Garg has, the dream which Jubin Garg has shown. His dream was to give us equal right and equal opportunity, and to live the life with dignity. So let's work to fulfill what he dreamt for. We also, as a human being, we also need to have humanity in us. Today we see lots of hatred, no emotions for human being. But this should not be. This is what Jubin Garg tried to teach us during his lifetime. And if out of 100, if 90 of us can leave his path which he has shown, his heart will be in peace. That will be a tribute to Jubin Garg. With these few words, I request each and every one let's give a condolence to Jubin Garg for a moment, for 1 minute, for peace of his soul, for peace of his eternal soul. Some- And his last wish was, whenever I die, he said, "Mur ekta gan bojaba tumaluke." After paying condolence to him, we will play that song for his eternal peace. Start.
Bluetooth disconnected.